It's incredible. It's brilliant. The beer snake, though. Don't take me. He's on about 12.
You come to a cricket match and you don't expect your inflatable parrot to be stolen.
Quick browse. Yeah.
Give it a shake.
There we go.
The big question is it de Grandhomme inspired?
It's not quite to his standard, but I was going for the Zampa look to begin with, but I think I'm going to go for the length that Colin's currently got.
And what do we think, lads?
Love it.
Terrible Barnet or?
No, good Barnet. I was there once before.
How's the cricket going for you, boys?
It's incredible. It's
Brilliant. The beer snake, though.
We've got some 118 men getting involved. Get him in, boys. What's been the highlight of the day so far?
Off massive beer snake was brilliant.
Is it still going?
Nah, it's
done. Cricket's lovely. Being back is like incredible.
Have you been to Edgbaston before?
No, yeah.
No, first time. Oh, you're a seasoned veteran, I see.
Oh,
yeah.
Well,
And your first time?
My very first time. Do I get a badge for being the first time?
I need to give you one. I'll find one. And so I was about to say you're breaking your Edgbaston virginity, but that sounds terrible, doesn't it?
At 63 years old, that's a bit past, isn't it? Yeah.
First time at Edgbaston? Yeah, for all of you.
I was here for the World Cup actually.
Oh, class. Oh, you're here for the World Cup? Did you see the final as well?
I was there. It was a draw actually.
What we done now, thanks to it.
Mario! So cricket-wise, not great.
Cricket-wise, good day for the business. Average. A lot of leaks.
Can I just see that nice bit of redness there?
You've got to pick a number between 1 and 9.
1 and 9.
And I'll pick a number between 1 and 9. If they're the same, you get my hat. 3, 2, 1, 1!
Does he want it back? It's a naan. A Peshwari or keema?
Yeah, garlic. I like a garlic naan.
Garlic.
Whoa! Jeremy Anderson!
Fellas, how's it been?
Whoa!
No,
Good
they're
day.
just going to sing. They're just
Taking
going
more
to sing.
wickets.
Let's just get a real close-up on that tash. Is it comfortable?
It's comfortable. Doesn't help with the drinking though. The drinking's limited on it.
Are we having a good day anyway, the lobster and the chicken?
Of course, it's a great day, mate. I mean, even though I'm surrounded by lobsters.
Are you a Kiwi?
I'm not a Kiwi, mate.
Where are you from?
I'm from Shirley, so.
He's a thespian.
Hey,
I'm really pleased you've picked
I've
up
had a long day to be honest.
on that Kiwi accent there.
We was here under police escort, but we've got away, so that is good.
Criminal batting for England.
But yeah, so I won't disclose what we've done, but it's been a great day.
You come to a cricket match and you don't expect your inflatable parrot to be stolen.
It's liberties.
It's an absolute liberty.
Have you had a good day apart from
I've had an immense day. This is exactly what we're talking about. This is exactly what everybody's been interested in for the last year and a half. Having days like this is perfect. Completely perfect.